Hello traders, this is Michael coming to you from GammaEdge with the trading recap for the weekend of Friday's price action. We're going to go over the tools that we used on Friday to have some successful trades shorting with the morning weakness. We're going to go over our three pillars here at GammaEdge that we use for our pre-opening game plan, the sentiment, structure, and trend. And then we'll discuss how we use these tools intraday to help inform our decisions. So we're looking at the trading view chart here. We have our gamma levels overlaid. I'm going to use the replay function feature to replay the price action throughout the day. The red arrows are already denoted where we had opportunities to short, where we took trades, and I posted in the room. These boxes down here are SPX morning game plan. We have three sections to that. We have the SPX game plan, we have a single stock game plan, and then we have a market trend model that informs us which side of the market we should be looking to be on. So heading into the day, we had already been looking during our SPX game plan that we were coming from a position of weakness. We were put dominated in the overall structure. That means there was not a significant amount of out of the money call speculation heading into the day. So we'd already identified our key gamma delta levels with our web app that we use every day. 5750 was going to be that upside area that was going to be difficult to move above at the open due to the lack of significant OTM call speculation. And we had in the money puts heading into the open above spot price. Then we identified transition. That's an important area where price action can act or react and give us an anticipation if we may have a move back to the upside or a further move to the downside. And obviously we identified 5,700. That was a key gamma delta level, and obviously a significantly round number where we thought there might be an opportunity for a price to move back down to that level with the morning weakness. And then our MTM market trend model, we had already coming from 4 or 5 days of selling where sellers were in control, and we were looking at least at the open for a continuation down with the selling, and then possibly anticipation of some abatement and turn back up towards that 5,700 level. So we'll go ahead and jump right into it. This morning at the open there, as I said, we gapped up towards that 5740, which was transition level, and 5750, we thought that was going to be an area to be difficult to get above. So I was already looking for an opportunity to short on this bounce heading into the morning. And then we play the price action here. We continued on and we broke the opening low, which gave us a great opportunity to short. We entered the trade and then scaled some out as we moved down towards that 5725. And then we had another opportunity to short again, as this was a key gamma delta level, and we knew it was going to be difficult to get above and stay above with puts in control. Now flip back to a key component and a tool that we use here at GammaEdge, which is the vol-m command. Basically, this just gives us an indication of where the volume of market participants are targeting. Obviously, the green line is calls, so the red line is puts. And if we continue to see the call speculation transacting below the centroid, then we are anticipating that significant amount of OTM calls are not coming in, out of the money calls are not coming into the complex. And so then it's going to be difficult for spot price to move up if we do not have call speculation. Conversely, if we have put speculation continuing below the spot price, then we will continue to have weakness, and just a put monetization event of closing of puts can drive price higher, but it's not sustainable. So obviously that's what we saw at 1045. So we'll go ahead and go back to the trading view chart. This was our 10 o'clock, so we'll go ahead and continue to play through it. So we were anticipating to short any bounce on any move up to a key gamma delta level, and that provided multiple opportunities for us to get involved on the short side. And we'll continue through this. Obviously, we're going to be reaching the 1045 strike here or 1045 run here in a minute for our data. And again, if we identified that 5,700 as an important area that we most likely were going to see some move off of, and we got that move back towards 5,725. And then remember that 5,745 or 1045 run on the vol-m command, we did not see the OTM call speculation come in, so it was going to be hard to sustain that price back to the upside. So we'll go ahead and continue to play throughout the day. And then obviously we see another bounce towards that 5725, which again provided us a great opportunity to get into a short and then take a profit as we move down and continue to scale. And then roughly around noon, I'll flip back to the vol-m command. We did start to see some OTM call speculation come in. and the put targeting to the downside start to wane. So then we decided that was probably not a great risk reward to keep shorting to the downside. And then if you were continuing to watch our tools and the market trend model, we actually saw it start to turn back to the upside. So if you're opportunistic, you could have taken a long trade. And as long as it held above this key gamma delta level of 57.25, you could have held continually on up towards 57.50, which would be our target coming up. So we'll go ahead and flip back to the vol in command. I'll show you what we were seeing. Here's obviously the 11 o'clock run. Call speculation continued to wane, so the sustained move to the upside on any bounce was going to be difficult. 11:15 run, and if you flip back and forth between these two, you actually see the call speculation line start to pull the nose up a little bit. So we were starting to see some call speculation come in. And then running to the 12 o'clock run, obviously the call speculation pulled up pretty significantly. So there was a chance that we were going to have a sustained bounce to the upside. And then we'll go ahead and on to the 1 o'clock run, and you can see obviously the call speculation continued. So moving back up towards where these OTM call speculation participants were occurring, 57.40, 57.50 was going to be a high likelihood. So we'll go back to the trading view chart, continue to play through. And then conversely, you know how we ended the day. If you watched any of the SPX, we ended close to 57.50. So we'll go ahead and speed this up some. And then we held around that key gamma delta low 57.25, even though we kind of chopped around it. And then we really saw that call speculation start to pick up into the afternoon hours, and our MTM trend model turned up. And we continued to make higher lows and higher highs all the way up towards that 57.50. And then we crossed above the P-trans level at 57.40, and that's how we ended the day. So anyway, this is how we use the GammaEdge tools intraday to inform our decisions to make trades. We would hope you come join us. 14-day free trial, all the tools turned on. If you're a current member, we hope this helps you get a overall view of how we use the tools. So we have a significant amount of education, new GammaEdge framework. Go ahead and check that out, and we'll be happy to help you in any way. Thanks. Have a great day.